Hello, boys and girls, and welcome to math class today. Today, you are going to get to draw it and group it. So the first thing you're going to do is click on the microphone button, and then it says to draw circles for each number. Circle a group of 10. So I'm going to take my marker tool, change it to purple because purple is awesome, and I'm going to take just this medium-sized circle. That way I don't have to actually draw them. I can just point and click. It says to draw the circles for each number. So if we look at this number, this is the number 16. It has 1 10 and 6 ones. So, I am going to organize these circles, and I am first going to draw my 1 10, and I'm going to make it look like a full 10 frame because that's easier for me in my mind to organize them. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And remember, a 10 frame has 5 on top, 5 on bottom. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that, my friends, is a group of 10. I'm going to circle it. And then I'm going to keep going. So that I have my group of 10, and now I need 6 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there's 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So I've drawn it, and I've grouped the group of 10. So now I'm going to come over here. Well, let's go down. I'm going to go down to 13. So there's one group of 10 and 3 ones. So I'm going to first draw my group of 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there's my group of 10. I'm going to circle it. So I have 10, 11, 12, 13. You're going to go on and you're going to continue drawing and grouping circles to represent the number they give you. Remember to make a group of 10 and circle it, and then keep drawing circles to finish the number. When you're done, click on the green check mark and send it to your teacher.